Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to work with appointments in the Vue Scheduler component. You will see how to make specific appointments all day and recurring. You will also see how to make the appointments read-only, block specific time slots, and a few additional functions. First, let me open the existing Vue application, where I have added the Vue Scheduler with basic properties. Here, I have simple JSON data objects with the fields, subject, start time, and end time. I have imported the schedule component from the Syncfusion EJ2 Vue Schedule package and declared the scheduler component inside the components property. Also, I have imported the basic views module from same package and injected it in the provide option. Follow the link provided in the card and the description to learn the basics of adding a Vue Scheduler to an app. Now, I run this example using the command npm run serve. Looking at the output page, the scheduler component displays the appointments over the specific timelines. In this example, you can see the appointments are defined with a particular time slot. To make this testing appointment an all-day event, I add the isAllDay property and set it to true inside the data source object. Now, you can see the testing appointment at the top near the date header. Sometimes, you may want to repeat appointments for a specific period of time. In this case, you can use the recurrence rule property with a valid rule string. For example, to repeat this Scrum meeting appointment for 10 more days, I set the recurrence rule property with a frequency of daily, interval of 1, and count of 10 within the data source object. This appointment will repeat on a daily basis for 10 occurrences. You can view the changes over here, where the Scrum meeting appointment repeats for 10 days. By default, the edit and delete options are enabled for these appointments. If I want to make this appointment read-only, I need to disable these options. To do that, I need to define the isRead-only property as true within the data source object. Now, you cannot perform any CRUD operations on this appointment. Alright, let me show you how to block a specific time range on the scheduler with blocked events. Inside the data source object, I set the isBlock property to true. On the scheduler now, the appointment created for a specific time interval blocks that time range. Next, I will show you how to view some additional information about the appointments by enabling tooltip. I will enable the tooltip by defining the enable tooltip property and setting its value to true inside the event settings property. See in the output, while hovering over an appointment, the appointment details are shown in the tooltip. Okay, now I will show you how to bind scheduler data with different field names. To do this, first, let me remove the existing data source objects and add an event object with summary, start, and end fields. To bind these different field names in the appointment data to the scheduler, I define the fields property and map the different field names to the appropriate scheduler field properties. Looking at the output page, the scheduler component displays appointments over specific timelines. Next, I will show you how to change the title of the field labels in the editor window. To change these field labels, let me define the title property and set appropriate values to it. Look at the editor window, it displays the newly defined field labels, event, event start time, and event end time. In this video, we have seen how to bind different field names in the Vue Scheduler data source fields. We have also seen how to block specific time ranges and make specific events read-only in the Vue Scheduler component. If you would like to see a working example, you can download one from the GitHub link shared in the description below. I have also included a link in the description where you can check if you qualify for our community license, which gives you a free license key for our entire Vue component suite. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.